In the dense, mist-shrouded jungles of Jamaica, whispers of an ancient creature have long haunted the villagers of Black River. They speak of the Moco-Ape, a mysterious being said to be a twisted fusion of man and ape, born from a spell cast centuries ago. One moonlit night, a young scientist named Marcus, fascinated by local legends and eager to uncover the truth, ventured into the jungle with his gear. He had heard stories of a creature that stalked the shadows, massive, with the muscular build of an ape, but with human-like intelligence flickering behind its glowing eyes. As he moved deeper into the foliage, an eerie silence enveloped him. Suddenly, a pair of luminous eyes pierced the darkness, and the ground trembled beneath him. Out of the shadows emerged the Moco-Ape, hulking, with jagged scars and patches of mangled fur. But what chilled Marcus to the bone was its face, a terrifying blend of ape and human, with a brow ridge that sloped into a powerful jaw, and a faint, almost human-like expression of sorrow. Before he could react, the creature emitted a strange, otherworldly cry, like a mix of primal howls and digital static. Marcus's instruments flickered and malfunctioned, as if some paranormal force was interfering with technology. The Moco-Ape's eyes flickered with a strange, bluish glow, hinting at an otherworldly intelligence or perhaps a connection to some mysterious, alien energy. Suddenly, the creature vanished into the jungle's darkness, leaving behind only a lingering sense of unease. Marcus hurried back to the village, realizing that this creature was no ordinary beast, but a paranormal anomaly, a bridge between the natural world and something far beyond human understanding. To this day, elders say the Moco-Ape still roams the shadows, a guardian, or perhaps a magic spell, of the island, blending science and the supernatural in a legend that continues to haunt the Jamaican night.